Hello, my name is Joshua. Today I'm going to show you how to view fees, change payment methods, and pay your fees. So when you first log into the online portal, you want to find your account. So today we're going to be looking at this one, then click on fees. And if you scroll down, you'll see all the fees starting with the most recent. So you'll see the transaction fees, record keeping fees, wire fees, etc. And then if we go ahead and click on this billing tab and select our account here towards the left, this shows you how the fees are being paid currently. If there's no cash balance, then we'll send a balance due notice via email and mail. Now, if there was a balance due for this account, you can only pay a balance due with a debit or credit card, or if you have enough cash in the account, we can use the cash to pay for that fee as well. If you want to pay it using the cash balance, you can use the Contact Us link in the portal, email, or give us a call. To use the Contact Us link, just scroll all the way to the very bottom and you'll see Contact Us right here. Click that. Select the account you want to pay the fees for. Select email here so we can email you a confirmation of the payment and just type it in and click submit. Or you can also email us or call us. The email is clientservices@theentrustgroup.com, and then the phone number is listed right here. So if we go back to the page, now let's say there is a balance due for this account. Before clicking on pay fees, you actually want to go ahead and click on add new payment method. Here you're going to have the option to add a debit or credit card or a US bank account. But if there is a current balance due, we can only pay the balance with a debit or credit card. Then once it's paid, you can add a bank account to pay those fees moving forward. So we're going to leave card selected and enter all this information. Scroll down, click save. Then if we go back to the billing tab, you want to select the account here. Click pay fees. Click next. If there is a balance due, it'll show up here. Pay from the card you just added. Click the box and click submit. And that is how to pay the fees. Now, if you go back to the billing tab, select the account, you can change the payment method moving forward by clicking update payment method and selecting the bank account, for example, or the card, and then clicking save. And that is how to view the fees, change the payment method, and pay the fees. Thank you.